Next, we are taking types of reagents. When a reagent attacks an organic molecule, it does so by virtue of its affinity towards electrons or nucleus, means positive charge. Based on this property, most of the reagents are divided into two categories. First is electrophilic reagents. Electrophilic means which have love for electrons, so they themselves will be positively charged or electron deficient. Nucleophilic reagents which have love for nucleus are positively charged, they themselves will be negatively charged or they have lone pair of electrons. First we are taking electrophilic reagents. Those reagents which has affinity for electrons or love for electrons are known as electrophilic reagents or electrophiles. Example is H positive ion, hydronium ion, R positive ion, nitronium ion, NO2 positive, bromine positive ion, SO3, sulfur trioxide, AlCl3, BF3, ZnCl2, FeCl3. All of them are electrophiles because they are either positively charged or they are electron deficient. AlCl3 is electron deficient because after sharing it has 6 electrons, not 8. Same is with BF3. ZnCl2 has got 4 electrons after sharing, that's why it is electron deficient. A substitution reaction brought about by these reagents is known as electrophilic substitution reaction. Similarly, the addition reaction which is carried out with the help of electrophiles are called electrophilic addition reactions. Nucleophilic reagents. Those species which have high electron density or have affinity towards nucleus are known as nucleophilic reagents or nucleophiles. Example is OH negative, RO negative, cyanide, chloride, bromide are negative. All of them are negatively charged, so they are nucleophiles. Now let's take up example RX. Alkyl halide is reacting with a nucleophile OH ion. So OH ion replaces X negative to form ROH plus X negative is formed. This is nucleophilic substitution reaction. Why? Because one nucleophile is replacing another nucleophile. Here we have carbon double bond oxygen, that is carbonyl group, where cyanide, that is nucleophile, is attacking. Carbon is positive, oxygen is negative, so cyanide ion will attack carbonyl carbon and get attached to it. Oxygen will become negative charge. And if we have H positive ion, if we add, H positive ion will combine with negatively charged oxygen to form this compound which is called cyanohydrin. Now here nucleophile is being added, therefore this reaction is called nucleophilic addition reaction. Let's take up important points of the discussion which help you in solving questions. The Lebel-Wantoff propounded first that 4 valencies of carbon are directed towards the 4 corners of tetrahedron, and Wantoff got the first Nobel Prize in chemistry for discovering tetravalency of carbon. The principle of maximum overlap of atomic orbitals were first stated in 1931 by Linus Pauling at California Institute of Technology. The amount of energy consumed or liberated when bond is broken or formed is known as bond energy. In carbonium ion, carbon atom which carries positive charge has 6 electrons in the outermost orbit. Hence, carbonium or carbocation is known as electron deficient group. This is also known as electrophile or Lewis acid on account of affinity for electrons or love for electrons. In carbonium ion, the carbon carrying positive charge is bonded to 3 other atoms and for this bonding uses sp2 hybridized orbitals. The stability of charge system is increased by dispersal of the positive or negative charge. Any factor therefore that tends to spread out or decrease the positive charge or negative charge or positive charge of carbonium ion or negative charge of carbanium ion stabilizes the carbocation or carboanion. First we are taking carbocation stabilization. Here there is a group which releases electron and decreases the positive charge and stabilizes the carbocation. This group is electron withdrawing, which increases positive charge on carbon and destabilizes the carbocation. Order of stability of carbocation is tertiary is more stable than secondary, is more stable than primary, which is more stable than methyl carbocation. Any group with plus I effect, that is positive inductive effect, that is which is electron releasing, decreases the stability of carbanium ion. And on the other hand, a group of atom having minus I effect, negative inductive effect, which is electron withdrawing, increases the stability of carbanion ion. Stability of carbonium or carbanion ion is directly proportional to number of resonating structure. Means whether it is positively charged carbon or negatively charged carbon in the ion, greater the number of resonating structures, more will be stability. For example, this triphenyl carbocation is most stable because it will have 9 resonating structures. There are 3 benzene rings and each benzene ring will have 3 resonating structures, total 9 resonating structures. Diphenyl carbocation, diphenyl methyl carbocation will have 6 resonating structure and benzyl carbocation will have 3 resonating structure. Allyl carbocation will have 2 resonating structures. So greater the number of resonating structures, more will be stability. The stability of carbanion ion also depends upon type of hybridization in negatively charged carbon atom. The S character decreases, the stability decreases. More the stable is carbonium ion or carbocation, the faster it is formed. Negatively charged carbon in the group makes the group known as carbanion ion. The carbon having negative charge contains 8 electrons in its outermost orbit. Carbanion ions are known as electron efficient groups or nucleophiles or electron rich groups. They are known as Lewis bases as they act as electron pair donors. And they have love for nucleus, that's why they are called nucleophiles. Carbanion ion carbon or carbon atom carrying negative charge is sp3 hybridized, and the sp3 carbon has pyramidal shape or pyramidal disposition of valencies like ammonia molecule. The structure of CH3 negative is pyramidal. The neutral molecule in which the central atom has incomplete octet are known as electrophiles, as they acquire electrons for completing their octet. AlCl3, BF3, ZnCl2, FeCl3, they are electron deficient because their octet is not complete.